Hello guys, so today I'll introduce you to Plesk. And if you don't know Plesk is just it's a control panel to manage your web hosting activities. Okay, so let's assume you have Plesk already and I have mine as well. So let's log in once I introduce you to what you can do with Plesk. So I have my root and then my password. Okay. I log in. So let's see. Alright, so if you are looking for a flexible control panel, Plesk is also one of them what you can use. Alright, so this is a dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. You can still create email applications, files. Now websites, you can add domain if you want to buy domain. You can add domain from here. Alright, because of my VPN, that's why. Alright, so good. So if you want to create a WordPress site, upload file, blank, deploy using Git, you can even import, and if it's a Laravel website as well. Okay, alright, and then you have a place to create an email. So let's say if you already have a domain here, just the way you create emails on your hosting, Namecheap cPanel, 1&1, no other hosting vendors. How you create your email is just the same as this place. So you can create your email here too as well, provided you have a domain name available. And let's go to applications. Alright, so you can also manage other applications here. So we have WordPress, an application session. Okay, if you want to, I think WordPress and Joomla, Drupal, Joomla is here, WordPress also here. So if you want to install WordPress site too, that's good. You can go with that one too. And we'll go to file. So if you want to host a website, all you need to do is to add or upload a file over here at the home directory. Okay, then you connect to your database or you connect to your domain as well. Alright, and one thing about Plesk is that if you don't have a domain and you want to run a website, Plesk can give you a temporary one, of course. So this domain like this is a temporary domain that Plesk normally gives. And at the same time, we can also create a database. I just like the way we create a normal admin database. Okay, so I can remove this database. I can remove this, and I can add a new one. Just make sure you keep your database name. Right, so in Plesk you have a default database is MariaDB that they use, which is part of MySQL as well. It accepts everything. Alright. Or probably so you just have to choose the site relating to the database and create your username, the password. Yeah, good. And then you can even allow remote connection to the database or just connect locally. So we can go and go so on. These are the extensions where where you can install any app, whatever you want to install, whatever it is. So you can manage. So Plesk is a self-managed panel. You will set everything yourself. You do whatever you need to do yourself with Plesk. It's just like using a cPanel where you configure everything. I like Plesk because it's very flexible to use as well. Now, so this Plesk is hosted on Linode. I bought a space on Linode and I installed the Plesk on it. So it's good and it's very friendly, very flexible to use as well. So you can use it for your WordPress, you can use it for any Laravel project, whatever you want to deploy. Even a normal or static dynamic website is good for Plesk. You can use Plesk to do whatever you want to do with it, and it's very flexible.